This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your strap type, quick-release pins or spring bars, and measuring lug width in millimeters so the new strap fits. Lay the watch face down on a soft cloth to protect the screen. Set a small tray nearby. Use a spring bar tool or a thin, flat pick. If you must, a small flathead screwdriver will do. Once done, depress the pin gently toward the center to free the bar. Slow, steady pressure prevents scratching and avoids sending tiny parts across the table. Now focus on extracting the strap without forcing anything. Compress the spring bar straight toward the center while lifting the strap end away. Sideways force risks bending the bar. For quick-release straps, slide the small lever inward and pull the strap off. It's faster but still needs control. Once both sides are off, inspect each spring bar. If bent, pitted, or rusted, replace it. Make sure you keep orientation noted. Some straps have a top and bottom side, so reassembly restores comfort and display alignment. Attach the new strap by seating one end of the spring bar into the lug hole, then compress the opposite end and guide it into place until you hear or feel a click. Make sure both sides are fully seated. Tug gently 3 to 5 times to confirm a secure fit so it won't pop off during use. If the bar won't seat, clean the lug holes with compressed air or a toothpick, replace any damaged bars, or try the spare strap. Once secure, check comfort and sensor alignment before wearing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.